In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable USB access in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you're trying to connect a USB device, use a hardware key, or allow a website to communicate with supported USB accessories through your browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu to open Edge Settings. From the menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control privacy, permissions, and site access. On the left side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps a lot of the browser protection and site permission controls. Now scroll until you find Site Permissions, then click it. Site Permissions is the section that manages what websites are allowed to do inside your browser, including camera, microphone, location, and USB devices. After that, click All Permissions. This will open the full list of permission categories that Edge can manage. Look through the list and find USB devices. When you open that option, you'll see the USB access setting for websites. Turn the USB devices toggle on. Enabling this allows supported sites to request access to USB devices when needed. If a website asks for permission afterward, Edge can now display the prompt so you can approve the connection. If you don't see the exact option right away, make sure you're in the full permissions list and not just the quick settings area. Once the toggle is enabled, you're done. Your USB access in Edge is now turned on, and websites that need it can request permission properly. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.